Morning to you, a wonderful person, where they listen and they watch us live on top CHRICED Radio and Television, where your matter now we own. Welcome to Inside Naija, that Ogbonge current affairs and news program, where we carry on give you every Monday to Friday inside the 9 o'clock hour. Where we go first start by to take knock you waiting day for inside the front pages of the newspapers, after which me and the Sabi person go there inside the studio pieces for you all of the big victories them inside the news. Already, Dangote and NUPENG now be one of the big gist for inside the news right now. Plus also the suspected, the terrorist commander, band group where they don't knock punishment for inside prison. All of this and many more go come inside the part 2 of the show. But for now, make we enter for inside the front pages of the newspaper to tell you what's in the day. I beg, no go anywhere. Welcome back to the front pages of newspapers inside Naija. Make we first start with the Punch newspaper this morning, and the biggest gist for from there now say NUPENG Dangote they don't beg again as tanker drivers deal don't scatter. Dangote Refinery they talk say the union membership in not be by force. Everybody supposed get opportunity to join or not to join. But NUPENG now don't they talk say the way we they see them, then go on strike. Marketers just they talk say abeg obey the agreement, and come they one even NLC they one refinery them going against waiting government talk. All of this and more and the big gist were inside the front of the Punch this morning. INEC don't shortlist 14 new political party applications and they don't disqualify 157. On issue of 2027, Jonathan will be before president and Obi will be before governor. Don't sit down, enter inside room, close door and do meeting. And still on still, First Bank now don't finish Unduka Obiagbena GHL for inside court of appeal. Still for inside the front page of the Punch on 5.6 billion naira debt. Energy crisis they come for front as gas companies them don't stop supply. Plots don't invite Mark, others to consider them over the leadership Igiaga inside ADC. Supporters just the wait make Fubara return back from London as he done they ready to resume back work of Governor of River State. All of this, plenty more. Now you go see inside the Punch newspaper. The Guardian newspaper come follow closely to tell us a First Bank don't finish Unduka or Baigbena GHL for court of appeal. And the biggest gist for inside the Guardian, open defecation, just sit down, open up and just kaka anywhere. Say the thing now done the worse and worse and it threaten the 2030 sanitation target. When you check, you go see the breakdown of how the thing take they go down. Now, INEC don't reject 157 applications, clear ADA and 13 others for registration. Banks, FMCG customers, now then the top of the FCCPC 9,091 complaints and the 10 billion naira recovery. What will this gist really be about? Because it affects you as a country person. Enter for inside the Guardian, you go see them. Implementation of 2025 budget go start inside the month of September. Now waiting Ogbonge government they yarn be that. The Yigiaga for inside ADC they continue to dey deep and more. As one faction they claim say cuts ban Mark and Aregbesola. Still until for inside the matter MRA don't they talk say blame they say all this attack on journalists them say Wahala dey inside there and say make abeg everybody involved make they see what they fit do about am. Lagos now don't activate Ebola response system. All the symptoms to take know if Ebola dey, they don't activate and make them know the way forward. As DR Congo now don't they struggle with Ebola outbreak. Appeal court don't order the chief registrar to seize crude on board FPSO Tamara Tokini. Enter for inside the Guardian newspaper. You go know what's in all of those gist them they talk about. Following close now the Daily Trust newspaper. And on Daily Trust, the biggest gist there now say on 2027, Jonathan don't enter for room, do meeting with Obi. Waiting the meeting talk about, you go need to enter the papers then, make you know waiting then discuss. NUPENG Dangote deal don't scatter. Ansaru leader don't collect 15 years inside prison. INEC don't shortlist ADA 13 orders for political party registration. Still, flood that na plenty water Palava na cover Abuja City and the local government for inside Katsina. New tax law will increase the transport using aeroplane. Now waiting operators of airlines they yarn be that. Two vigilantes now they just shoot dead hours after the killing of 3 police officers inside Kogi State. And finally, for inside the front page of the Daily Trust, Ghana don't welcome people there where they deport. Nigeria people where they deport from America and others them. But enter inside the front page of that paper, you go see the full gist there. Daily Times. Now they follow the Daily Trust. And the Daily Times say, oh, government don't come out that 5% telecom tax. And then 171 million people there where they use telecom. Now go benefit from this calm down. Whether they come down for us. Strike, they come for front as Dangote don't break agreement. Now waiting NUPENG, they write boldly for inside the Daily Times with that. Ansaru terrorist leader Usman don't collect 15 years in prison for accusation of illegal mining. Soldiers don't rescue 17 people with their kidnap inside Kogi State. Now they sensationalize the debt situation. The gbese where would they owe the way we say would they owe money for Nigeria. Now make a big deal. Now waiting DMO, they tell media people be that. Africa transition states need $210 billion for transformation. African Development Bank, Nigerian this one. As NAFDAC don't seize 1.2 billion naira worth of unregistered fake malaria medicine. The Daily Times now go give you all of this gist and plenty more. Daily Independence come out to say, NUPENG Dangote deal on the union matter don't collapse. But they talk, say to join union, it not be by force, not choice. Now waiting Dangote Refinery answer be that. Oh, government don't come out the 5% telecom tax on top voice and data services. And they don't bring out plans, say they want to power healthcare facilities with reusable electricity. Yes, now so now they put that side. You go need to check out, make you for know how far. NUPRC say crude oil losses to theft others don't drop to a 16-year low, meaning they don't reduce how they take the thief things them for that level. FCCPC don't secure 10 billion naira for customers on top complaints against banks and others them. No court ban Mark Aregbesola as national chairman and Seke now waiting ADC the yarn be that. Appeal court don't confirm to the case of First Bank against GHL. Senator Natasha don't they do moves now to drag the National Assembly clerk to court and say banning her from duties. Say it just be like dictatorship. Now waiting NSC the yarn be that. People will get out and level for on top tax matter don't they say, hey, this new tax law, if it to make people the way they use aeroplane to suffer the more. As Ansaru terrorist leader Mahmoud Usman don't collect 15 years in prison as punishment. Nigerian Tribune come burst out to say 2027 everywhere there for suspense as Jonathan and Obi do meeting for inside Abuja. Fresh Igiaga, now they happen now for inside NUPENG and Dangote MOU. As NUPENG now they accuse the refinery, say they go against the agreement. But Dangote Refinery can't answer, say, to join union, it is not by force, so now something of choice. And say we stand Jim to do everything where government say make we do. But NUPENG, they operate, they collect dues, even inside our facility. Now all of that answer, now Dangote they drop there. Court don sama Ansaru leader Mahmoud Usman to 15 years inside prison. Ladoja they blame supporters for the yoga where they go on between Oni and Alafin, and then he can they tell the Ibadan people, then he can they tell Ibadan Mogajis them say, oh yeah, see they educate them on top matter of drug abuse. NUPRC report said the crude oil loss don't drop to a 16-year low. 2027 political parties fit increase to 32 as INEC don't consider 14 for registration. CBN say see Vision 2028 wey go take promote inclusive payment ecosystem. And on the Freedom of Information Act, court don order Ondo government to release local government allocations, commissioners' asset declarations, and plenty more. All of this and more, you go see am inside the Nigerian Tribune newspaper. And to round up the front pages of papers this morning, make we take you to the Punch Sports Extra. Osimhen follow to take the drag whether he go fit play the first UCL game for Galatasaray. Juve they target Lukman and they return to Atalanta team training. World Cup qualifiers, NFF board must go. Now waiting Mikel Obi the yarn be that. International friendly, Eagles go face Venezuela inside United States. Special interview wey dem do with Obiageri Amechi. She don't come out now. They explain, say, waka to Tokyo now to make it to the finals. And if she can do what she has been working on, then she go do a lot of things then we go make way for her. That's now her Tokyo 2025 mission. Madrid go host 2027 UCL final. Aina, they get double mind. They're not sure, say, he go follow for the Arsenal game. Now, Postecoglou, na yan that one. Clichy, don't they question Arteta ambition? United don't offload Onana. Chelsea, they risk point deduction on top the 74 agent charges them. Usman done the plan octagon return against UFC 322 winner. And finally, on World Championship, Chukuma don't get top field in 100-meter hits. All of this and many more now you go see inside the Punch Sport Extra this morning. And this now where we go close them out on top waiting day for the front pages of the papers for today. But do yourself a very good one by to try go for newspaper stand or even buy from those ones that way they sell for road. Take a touchlight waiting really day for inside the pages of the newspaper. No waiting they go on, no waiting they inside the main gist. Make your own for no loss. So come your way again. My name now Princess Anyana. Join us again on Monday for another beautiful edition. But for now, stay on top your TV and on top your radio as we bring to you the big tourist them inside the news.
Hello, my country people of Naija. It don't take small where I say you. Maybe now one of the reasons why rumors in the spread say K-Bobo don't leave the media space. But you know what? Say no to fake news. Because I never get tired and I know they retire. I just change gears small and make we enjoy ourselves better. Before you don't listen to me and that voice they sweet you, the analysis they tutorial you. Now you go to watch me live on top CHRICED Radio and television, where we go to break that news analysis well for you. On top of newspaper radio, big story when they happen. Inside program what we call Inside Naija. You go enjoy that well because we go break them for you, you go reason with us and you go understand the grammar well. What you need to do now to follow us on top www.CHRICEDRadioandTV.com or you can follow us on top all our social media platforms. My name is Olawale Omane. On top CHRICED Radio and Television, your matter now we own.
Now your boy original baby J be this and na CHRICED Radio and TV where we dey follow yarn the matter. As the matter they do you go follow me yarn, myself go follow you talk, go find solution for the matter. And if you want to watch us for this CHRICED Radio and TV, you go follow us for our website where be www.CHRICED Radio and TV. And you fit still follow me yarn the matter for all our social media platform. Make you remember say for CHRICED Radio and TV, your matter now we own.
Welcome back to CHRICED Radio and Television Inside Naija. And remember, your matter now we own on top of the station. Now time don't reach for us to break down pieces for you all of the big stories them we stay inside the news. From taking you to that banned terrorist group Ansaru and the commander Mahmoud Usman, we don't collect 15 years in prison for plenty accusation and still waiting to hear for the other 31 charges where government puts for in head to the giaga where they happen between Dangote Group, their refinery most especially, and the Nigerian Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers, NUPENG. They will come bring you a little bit of politics, the ADC party. All of this and more now will take torchlight on top of the show. But I not go do am alone. I not go do am alone because waiting I sabi. But I get my oga at the top. Sabi man when it comes to issue of current affairs. Sabi man when we say come to issue of Nigeria, where they try to dey neutral. For the way we say they talk things them and the oga patpata on top the media house for Inside CHRICED here. That's Nakola Wale or Money. My oga at the top. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Princess.
Sir, you look sharp.
Even you know bad.
Your sharpness is sharpening.
Thank
Welcome to the show, sir.
thank you.
All right, so without wasting of time, make we take you to some security matters then. Yesterday, he burst out. He first to leave you see how they don't drag this Mahmoud Usman with another colleague. Get something Abba enter for court on 32 different counts. They then do illegal mining, then they're responsible for jailbreak, they're responsible for some insecurity matter, and then the members of Ansaru terrorist group, the government they already banned for a long time. So just I don't know, do the next thing. Justice Emeka we say just drop judgment. Like say the man hot yesterday. Because they drop judgment up and down. So the one now we drop say this guy now for the fact that he use him mouth to do illegal mining, we say they get money to fund the bad things the way they do. Don't give him 15 years in prison and can't say make it remain for hand of DSS pending when they go do determining of case of the other 31 charges to the head. What you get to talk about what?
Yeah, now good development anyway. And one of the reasons why it did good we say we dey always complain about how they manage our judicial sector, how they manage prosecution in Nigeria, how it dey always dey delayed. And one of the frustration where they make and dey delay now when the person where they carry enter court say lie and no guilty. Understand? That one they had them to quickly prosecute. But when you do your due diligence, when you know say you don't already do the work well, get your evidence, you feel need this person. As they show am, you no get any backup to deny. Meaning say you no catch am here and he manage to escape. You catch am or neck of him hand, say, hey, you know they go anywhere. Now waiting will be witness. Because if you check when they do the arrest, and just May this year. So between May and September, we don't already get that judgment. Fantastic. This is waiting will be the talk about. This time we talked the other time about help away and be quickly pass the judgment within 10 months. Finland. And because of this kind of situation, they don't already tender enough evidence against you. You know, say you know if he deny him. So now waiting will be experienced with him with that and my good move. Good move now. Say okay, talk say they do illegal mining. Say I agree. I did guilty on top. Many other accusations with the level against them, still no agree for that one. And the reason why they talk so okay, the one we don't already admit. Now waiting law they talk about the because many Nigerians may be having this feeling, say, okay, on top of all these plenty allegations where they put, they talk say you join terrorism, they talk say you don't already belong to a particular group. The proceeds of the mining, illegal mining where you been they do self, now to the user to procure arms. And if you check some of these weighty allegations, you know, say you're not supposed to be 15 years imprisonment alone. But judge go need to check waiting with the provision of the law. Then talk say somebody will do illegal mining. Now waiting then may used to hold am right now. When they talk say, okay, you go need to sit down for prison for 15 good years. Now, the provision wey go, the condition wey dem go need to approve further again now to really show evidence, say true, money wey dey make from that illegal mining activity so true
Chale.
na weapons na dem dey take buy, na dem dey take buy firearms. Dem go need to prove those ones too for them to be able to say, okay, they will now check the provision of the law again. Wetin be the talk when they link you to terrorism? You know, say the offense dey bigger than this because if you are not even carry the arms to go fight, for you to be part of procurement of arms to go do terrorism, for you to be part of procedures, okay, jailbreak in Kuje here in Abuja, where you know, say, okay, over 600 inmates now they escape that time. Many of them might have joined the bad go back and continue with their atrocity. So you know, say that one they waiting and they get more punishment past wetin we see right now. So we are waiting to see how they want to conclude this matter. You know, bad say at least they get evidence against him. Say okay, commit this offense and say may sit down for 15 years. And other guys too, we are still expecting waiting then go charge against him. But we need more of this evidence. And I'm hoping again that over 30 charges where they level against him, they get enough evidence like this to back it up. So that because in the course of the trials, you may initially prove, oh, not guilty. When you now eventually see plenty evidence against you, you may now want to go judge to pass justice with mercy or whatever. Now it's okay. You want to reduce you
Punishment,
want them
right?
to reduce the punishment. You can eventually admit, say, true, you did guilty. But for now, since it talks, say, no, they guilty for other charges, the reason why the trial could linger small than what we dey see right now.
Okay, before we leave this talk, when they do the tutorials, I see some part where they even link both him and that in second their companies. So training in like foreign, Mali was mentioned, Libya was mentioned, say Nigeria go learn some of their terrorism
Yes.
training. What did that one mean? Like if they end up proving it, are we now going to get is Nigeria now going to get issue with these countries, or how do we work to make sure say all these illegal, all these terrorists, all these insecurity in them or among countries, and how would they work together to fight them?
Yeah, they always get this task force where they work together, security agencies from other neighboring countries, African countries, and they run things together. But it no stop this kind of things to happen due to the challenges here. Even the almighty US, they see they get issues with Mexico border here and there. Let alone he, you remember the first administration of Donald Trump, the vocal part of his manifesto then, he won't build war against Mexico. He
Yeah,
won't do this,
yeah.
he won't do that. So we get porous borders that we cannot, the official borders where we get right now, where people they take enter the country, they lower than
The
the illegal one
unofficial.
where people know, the way government officials, security agencies know the man. They more if you check the statistics. So if we have that kind of situation, we'll still be experiencing this kind of issues. For instance, how many people don't already enter through those porous borders? Yeah, between yesterday and now, we don't have the figure. So the training of saying, okay, then go to social place to go train, now just because of the system which they accommodate that kind of situation for them to really strive. So if that's not the case, you know, say it not dey easy for us to say, okay, we want to end the battle as we speak right now. But now something will be gradual. How can you end it to make sure say you track them from the source? Track them from the source. Then later say na part of the people will come out from Boko Haram, come join Al Qaeda and stuff like that. So not until when we start getting the big guys among them like this, not those ones that are carry gun in the battlefield, we might not be able to win the war. So if we are getting him right now, him to still get big or gas. How can we get them? You understand? What is their price? Is this something resolvable? At this point where they don already create plenty havoc, wetin law bin dey talk how to manage this kind of situation. We need to get more of those one for us to be able to solve the problem. Because as we speak right now, so many things when they don't take use to the barrel, they don't keep people, they don't recruit more people, they don't do more of procurement that is illegal. Many of the importation of weapons where they bring as we speak right now to the country, you know how the situation don already scatter things for Nigeria. We say maybe till next 10 years, if they are not importing more, and the government cannot be able to retrieve what they have already brought or grant right now. So we need to track them from the source to make sure say things work. And coming back to your initial question, how can we achieve this? We need to be together. I mean, countries now, African countries, to make sure say whatever strategy that is being put in place in Nigeria, now something where they feel replicate over there, and all of them go agree together how they want to take fight some of these terrorist guys.
So you don't hear we need to all work together, African countries, then, so that we can fight this terrorism. Now, make we take the matter to some labor matters. Not the news anymore. Say, sometime within the week, Nigerian Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers, NUPENG, been stand up, begin the para. Say, Dangote Petroleum Refinery, the group, say they come home, they want to have new drivers. And say, from the body, as they employ the drivers, what did they say, make they fit? E get where they say, make them put there, say they not go join union. The thing come cost Igiaga, oh, federal government involved, labor involved, people involved. If like say no work, yes, now gas to involve, they can finally do the agreement. Say so. If you want join, you are allowed. If you don't want join, all of them they all right. We come happy. Say so. Everything is all right. Just for us now to wake up this morning to hear say, it be like say the thing now they shake. Say be like say that agreement don't collapse because the Nupeng people now don't come out now from their word. They say, Dangote group, they have go back from the agreement where they agree. Say, Nupeng national president on Thursday, then been come out say, we say you, Aliyu then Tata, will be family member of Aliko Dangote and a very important person for how they say they do their trucking operation for the Dangote group. Say, he don't go against the agreement between them two on September 9 for DSS office. You get say you don't go against them, they don't agree they made their carry or they don't agree made their members carry or yeah. It just come and they complain. Say within 48 hours, then Tata order drivers to come out Nupeng sticker from their motor and say forcefully enter the refinery against the union loading procedures. Come mention how the dance they say they fly helicopter. They make sure say wetin they supposed do now they do. And how you take a call the federal government. All this an accusation though. So they call federal government to send their navy people to go there, go there, stop their work what they supposed to do there. The para come too much. And the commandant go tell no look 2 times. He himself don't give answer. But do you think say Nupeng is just being problematic?
No, I know relative say then they problematic because when you have two parties that are having issues with each other,
Yeah.
they always talk and say both of them must be able to agree for them to solve that problem. And because of that agreement, there will be negotiation on wetin you go do, wetin you go drop, wetin I go hold. Meaning, we both they call and say, then go need to shift ground. You know, go talk say now by fire, by force. And this thing I want and nothing to fit change them. Now, above all, if you have an agreement, even though you feel claim say no be law, you know they binding. But for you to know, say you already agree, say crisis day, don't report now. Say they no want make you join, make your people join, union and stuff like that. DSS calling that. Now even make the move according to the report where we dey hear. Say now Dangote even make the move, then settle amicably. So after that move, una don't agree. Say okay, this is waiting go happen. And the NUPENG from their side now, immediately, if you notice, the day where they talk say they don't start strike, filling station don't they close you.
Yes, some police station
They
close,
want
some increase money
they
small.
won't take
Yes.
the advantage against Nigerians. The reason why they always talk say that Nigerians they always suffer. They talk say okay, you also admit say okay, they don't they have 15 naira, they don't they have 17 naira, 100 naira on
Yeah.
top of their price. In Ondo State, in fact, they experienced long queue for that particular day just because of a single day declaration. Are you telling me they don't have some stuff in stock? They have. So immediately they make the announcement say they don't already suspend their strike. They started opening their filling stations again.
Yes. Immediately.
The price dropped
Came down again.
immediately
Yeah.
again. like where we be buy 29, I been see 890 yesterday.
Yes.
Just between that day 950
Difference
to
yes,
890.
yes.
For you to know that Nigerians will always be waiting for this kind of opportunity to take advantage and punish more people, especially poor people. Now, if una don't get that agreement, NUPENG on their own immediately swung into action and they go declare, say, we know they on strike again. They still relied on that MOU. People say, no, they binding, and I just sign and whatever, when I go court, then go. But at least for a reputable organization like Dangote, supposed to respect that MOU. If una no agree from that point, then we talk, oh, the meeting end with deadlock, whatever, we will meet, we have to reschedule again, maybe next tomorrow we'll come back and stop. Who will know, say, una still continue the negotiation? The situation whereby you don't already agree and sign MOU, it means it pleases you and your organization or whoever represented Dangote for you to agree, say, una don't sign the MOU. Now come against it, no to sit down well. We will appreciate wetin Dangote bin dey do, creating more opportunities for Nigerians. We talk about, okay, 60,000 direct beneficiary from these 4,000 trucks. And when you do the plus and minus calculation, it means maybe the entire value chain of their operations, maybe an average of 15 people, they work for each truck. You understand? And if 15 people they work directly for each truck, and you agree with me that true, if you reach 15 people, at least they will get 2 drivers, they get people who will coordinate their movement here and there. So if we get 6,000 people on board, from the figure of people who no get job for the country, you know what it means. And averagely, we may even get 300,000 out of job. Because those 60,000 people will be able to take care of at least 5 people, maybe from what they are getting. And Dangote is saying we are not even paying them based on Nigerian standard.
Yes,
We are paying them
more
3 times of
yeah.
money. So it's a good move. Nobody is contending with that. If you have good move, you still have to follow the due process of waiting there for the country. If you say, okay, the bone of contention is that union, at a point they will even say, no, it's not that we don't want them to join union.
They don't want maybe you pay
But
again.
what the story, what they are insisting is that they say they don't want me to join union. So if you now say, oh, now NUPENG, come clear, waiting the options where they are available. How una wan take manage am? But in a situation shortly, maybe like 48 hours after una sign MOU, you come say make dem go comot sticker, make dem go dey forcefully operate, e no too sit down well. And in the Dangote's response, they no really indicate say na this na the reason why we do this thing. The only thing wey dem talk say na no be by force, say na voluntary. If union no be by force, say na voluntary. We have a sector here. This is how they are operating. It's not you that will say no be by force. It is only when the drivers now, the employees are saying, I don't want to belong to union.
Yes.
They're interested. They are interested.
And the drivers actually interested because we are not even hearing from the drivers.
You can't hear from the drivers because they are employees. You can't hear from them. It's just like you now. Maybe your organization talks, okay, don't belong to union. But you know the benefit of belonging to union, apart from all this fight or strike or whatever. So many other benefits attached to union. And don't let us deceive ourselves. The moment private organization know say nobody they fight for you, you don't get anything. They can impose whatever, and you just either take it or you leave it. So those drivers now, they might be smiling on the ground, say at least we have people fighting for us. Because by implication, if you don't, we may say, okay, Dangote get a good reputation, and they pay their workers well, and they do this thing well. It's not only payment. It makes tomorrow now they can hire fire unlawfully. You understand? The people that can defend them is this kind of people to say, okay, why will you just hire and fire this person without committing any offense? So you don't expect the employees to be the one to be fighting now, because to them now they are just 2 men that want to work. And in the course of doing that, what are the additional benefits that will make them maintain their job? You understand? And still make them remain relevant on their job. Union could be part of it. We are not saying it to say if they don't work well, they are not supposed to be fired. You can't even try that in private sector. But at least
If that NUPENG exists and Dangote again, apart from whether you even recognize whether they exist or not, you can't go sign MOU. Even though if you talk, say, they bind it for court of law, at least you're supposed to respect it.
Okay, now, one question. Is it compulsory for them to join NUPENG? Because from the matter now, they say they are not even their members. You go, they say they come on your sticker. Somebody talks say now the loading, now the money for loading, where they're supposed to collect, now like they are being selfish here about this matter. And in the
But
end,
have
the
you seen
Nigerians,
any of those stories talking about loading money?
they say they
Dangote should be able
block,
to
they
talk
block their loading. So where
about
they put that, they even say they go carry towing truck to come out all of their own motor where they use to take block the place of where they load, so that like they say make they come out their sticker, make they put their own cars
yes,
away and
yes.
everything. So that is the thing. Is NUPENG really overdoing? Because if you check out for social media, some comments that they feel say NUPENG they overdo. NUPENG no they do the right thing, and there are some things that need punishment. And why is government? Because government now for their own side they say they
Where I
never.
go, where I,
PUC say they never get any complaint, but NLC say take down go say obey the MOU. But private country people, they are actually kind of against
private
NUPENG.
country people want to talk based on their interests. By
Eh,
implication, just a single day declaration, just explain to you,
yes,
say
what was
scarcity
yes,
go there.
Nigerians suffer.
You understand? That is the fear of many Nigerians. Scarcity go there. Again, where I may have issues with NUPENG, you say you can't enforce your law by yourself. You
Okay?
get. They supposed to get law enforcement agents to say, okay, now waiting we agree with this, they are violating it. Can we go to court? Can we do this? Can federal government intervene?
Hey,
But for you to now say now you won't take your motor,
power for your hand.
block the entire road, make nobody pass. You can't enforce it by yourself. Even when the provision of your call, the provision of your establishment, or the act will establish you, or the rules and regulation of organization talk what you need to do. It's just for you to tender before court. See the situation here. It's so unfortunate that people know they always like to hear things in Nigeria because of all these delay taxes here and there. But whether we love like it or not, we can't continue to live lawlessness like this. No matter the situation, it's just like waiting court NBC now. You understand? Say you can't have your regulations and you are now the one imposing the provision by yourself. You first need to report it, the person. They will now check whether the person has violated it or not. That is what is happening from the side of the bank. But again, I say, when you have two guys fighting in this manner, for instance, they have this impression, say, okay, Dangote already violated the MOU where they've been signed.
Yeah.
Then too, they want to feel me like, say, okay, he did more, they did it for us to go and post. But if you check it, if Dangote enter court now, that MOU they may not use it against him. Wetin law be dey talk about, they will need to check it better than that of mere MOU. To me, I dey always talk am say, in a country where we know the two value things like that, it's more of mere minute of a meeting that, okay, all of them sign. But in their own case, you don already have law that established you how you suppose to do. So if this matter no wan end well, I think we should go and seek for court interpretation.
Because it's waiting
Why all this back and forth wey dem be dey do? Because the move wey dem made to go block that place, they know there's no any provision that will say, okay, if this thing happen, now blockage na be the next thing, and now you must do the enforcement. No, we should be able to live in an ideal society that will respect rule of law and procedure.
so now they don't say if anything no happen say on September 15, they don't mobilize their members. So and people will get interested in them to go on strike.
Again,
On the
like
15th,
we've been talk the other time before they eventually say they don't call off their strike or suspend them. We are still appealing to them, and we are hoping that Dangote will be able to listen. You understand? Dangote cannot totally get it right wrong. You understand? These guys, they can't say, okay, now them be the almighty. They should find a way of shitting ground. How they want to manage this situation. It's a mature union, not a small union, NUPENG. Dangote too is not a small organization. You should be able to manage it together. Maybe if they say, oh, then Dangote causing, then they cause this katakata, if they do this, they do that. You should be able to call each other together and find a way of managing it. Federal government intervened. Be like say no to sit down well. We still need to engage further because we have just between now and next 2 days. It still should be on Monday. So I think by this weekend they should be able to manage how this thing go work because by implication, if they start their strike, this threat alone now, you will see the impact of the threat this weekend. You will see the impact again. This guy will go and halt their products. So okay, let's see what will happen on Monday. So now Nigerians go still suffer am. In every single item you are buying in the market, the moment transportation jack up like this, you will feel it nationwide.
But as we dey close now, just like a minute or two, Dangote on your own side, dem group don come out and come talk say wetin the come dey talk no be true. Dem mention am say it is voluntary to join union. It is not compulsory. Did anybody actually really even see the form or say truly dem talk say make these drivers dem no join union?
It's not by seeing form, it's by body language. You understand? It's not by seeing, you won't see that form outside. You understand? If there's no provision to join the union, or maybe in their employment letter they don't already talk, and which I'm not even expecting anyway, because oil sector is highly unionized. No matter if you escape this one, you will join that one. And the moment you want to deny them, especially a figure like Dangote, you will definitely hear from those guys. You will not allow a whole Dangote to say my member should not belong to union. It doesn't even favor the people. So if Dangote is saying it's voluntary,
Yes,
it's not
it's
a
not by
compulsory,
you
it's
check.
not by force. It's not by force rather. But there's a provision that says these people can join. If you now ask those drivers, if they are 100 in number, the entire 4,000 drivers now, or even more than that, because they will employ more than one for each of this thing. So if you have all of them, hardly you will see 500 among all these thousands that will say, I don't want to join union. If they are saying it, maybe there's a compelling condition that is forcing them to say it. And if you say not be by force, most of them will willingly want to join this union because they know, say, if anything happen to them, issues go there against them and nobody will be able to fight for them. For instance, what is happening in the private sector as we speak right now? Now, because of most of these organizations not allow their members to join union. If they try to go meet NSC, they will say, oh, we do not belong to us. I want to fight in a battle. This is what most of these employers of labor are leveraging to deal with people. As we speak right now, you get many of, even including many companies that are even the foreigners are operating. They don't allow their members to join union. People are not making noise about it because they are new and they are operating silently. But you know that when Dangote calls, people listen, it go turn noisy everywhere. And the sensitive product that is managed too now, oh yeah, you know what it means. So that is the reason. But if you want to check it right, you see the way they are dealing with Nigerians, even for foreigners. There are some companies that somebody was gisting me lately, say, to even call them, they know they respect them in calling. They will use whistle. They will be blowing whistle and all of them. Which for this Abuja here, they will blow whistle like this. Foreigners will blow whistle. And most of these foreigners, many of them did not even get the certificate that you have here. They will come here to come and be forming mighty God. They blow whistle for you to assemble to be assembled. They don't even respect you to say they want. You just imagine that kind of treatment. Hello, do you know what that one means to their mentor? You know what that one, the kind of inferiority complex they are imposing on these people. So we have a number of them like that are embarking in this kind of things. But because it's Dangote now, that's why we are hearing. So if you are saying it is not for instance now, the person where they blow whistle, we say, oh yeah, we want you now. The person, this same organization where they tell you, if you like work there 20 years, the day you are going, the month that same your salary for that month is your last pay where you will get.
No
Because they
any
will
benefit,
make sure
no
say
severance.
you are not a full staff. They will make sure say like 95% of their workers are casual workers. Another ILO condition, if you are not a full staff, you don't enjoy all those benefits. They will make sure casualization everywhere is just because of this condition. Say they not allow their members to join union.
Okay,
That is what is causing it.
how person fit expose these things? How can you let these things be out there?
Even the unions are aware of this. Government is aware of this. Government is aware of this. They allow this impunity to happen. So if you are now saying It's a voluntary stuff, not compulsory. Why are you now making it compulsory for them not to join it? It should also be voluntary. Say, I want to join, I don't want to join. Why are you making it compulsory? Is there any agenda you have? Do you understand? At least when these people join the union, it's from their pocket. They will still be paying some little deal. If they say they don't care, they want to join because they know what it means to them. Why are you now forcing them to? Minimum wage now, many of these organizations that I'm telling you, they are not paying it. But because they are government workers, are casual workers, they don't care. They maltreat them anyhow. You can just work, finish working today. The following day, you resume, they say you don't get work again. Nobody will fight on your behalf. So if Dangote is saying it's not compulsory, it's voluntary, they should also not make it compulsory for their workers not to join union.
It is voluntary now by choice for you to join union, not be compulsory, but at least not even take that right away from the people. And for the other ones, then we don't talk, say plenty organizations then for this country, they do these things then, and we just never did loud. Beg you, if you did some, even if not could expose these things, let something be done. Moving on to the next matter, make we go a little bit of politics. Wake up on Wednesday to hear, like in the evening, say the Independent National Electoral Commission don't finally, formally, recognize the ADC under David Mark as their chamo and their Oga Beshola as their publicity secretary and Oga Bolaji as their spokesperson. So they don't recognize them, so they can now go ahead, reconcile, and do everything. We never even celebrate that one finish. Now, in the evening yesterday, though there's been a little clarification, but in the evening yesterday, they just come say the breaking court don't stop INEC from to recognize the mark-led ADC. But more talk can come out now say, actually, the same Justice Emeka Nwite now tell them, say, make them show. Say, Oga David Mark, Oga Regbeshola, the president leader, they should come to court on Monday, September 15th, to come give reason why they should not order INEC to no recognize them. What does this mean actually exactly? Because the thing they cause the people, the faction people now, they say, no, they don't pursue them, they don't dismiss them. But those ones, they say, no, they're not dismissed also. What exactly is going on? Where do we really stand in
Yeah.
that?
It dey laughable anyway. And say the reason why we dey laugh small underground be say I will see this thing for front. And I be tell you when people be dey, including you been ask me, say you dey sure say these people really get the ginger, they get the strength to really have that kind of a capacity to say they be strong opposition. I say we go need to check so many things we go still dey for front before we go achieve them, or before we go feel know whether they're ready or not. We don't reach one of those things now.
Okay.
I say if the party can be litigation free,
They don't get caught.
then after this they are switch, nobody, the newcomers and the old party members, both of them being agree, say all is well. You guys are highly welcome. We want you guys to come and do
Takeover.
the so-called transformation where they talk about and do the takeover. Unfortunately, that's not the case right now. They don't fire court order here and there. And this one now, it means say they never even ready to come and do the opposition fight. By implication now, they need to do internal fight or saying takeover. I've been telling you, say the best way these people for just you to manage their crisis that time, we say, can you guys get a new political party? Maybe among the one where INEC being approved now, therefore just add them to them. Or maybe they may be frustrated too because of say many of those ruling guys, they don't really want to see their face. You understand? But they know say party still there for front. In fact, if the people where they get that party before, if they don't mean battle, it will shock you. Say even ruling party, they go, they instigate them, they sponsor them to go do battle against them. And that is what we are seeing right now. Because whatever claim those guys are making right now, say you guys cannot just come suddenly and take over. Then get point. You can't just invade my house in a day and say you want to take over. Even with the influence of the owner of the party, maybe among the people, the founders or whatever, they were able to come in. But you get many members who get issues. And the moment it's a political party, you can't say, now you fund them, then you get almost everything.
you still get some of these stubborn members wey go dey file court cases here and there. If you don't get am at the national level, you see from one state, from nowhere, politician can just go instigate somebody, tell ya, go and file a case in court. And that is what they are seeing right now. Unfortunately, this thing may be more dramatic because even if they show for court on Monday right now, if they can be able to convince court and court say all is well, okay, we don't listen to now, go ahead, go the money, the party they go. The same set of people that go to that court will still go and file an appeal. They will continue the drama at the appeal. They will reach Supreme Court on top of this matter. Now, the confusion will now continue to expand. INEC will be confused. Even Nigerians will be confused. Nigeria will be like, say, okay, maybe truly they are the old guys, but can we still try something or something, whatever? They too may be confused that, oh, this is wasting the battle court here and there. We don't even know whether they could still allow them to enter or not. So the likes of Atiku, the likes of Obi, where they think, say, oh, should I enter? Should I stay where I am? Should I go to PDP? You see the virus of confusion now spreading all over. That is the situation of ADC as we speak right now, because people will not want them to really come together to fight the ruling party. They will be pushing more crisis into that party, and they will be making use of people who don't even get named before, but they are fortunate to be part of the member of that party, and they can go to any length because they don't already give them something to take care of themselves. So more battles for ADC, and unfortunately, if they get more of these battles, it means say they're never ready to be the main opposition in the country as we speak right now.
So make we just wait for September 15 to know what.
Just by Monday, make us spare our life. We go see more of those drama. If court even certify, say they are good to go, like I been tell you, those guys will carry the matter enter court, they go still need to appeal. They are presidential candidates in 2023. I mean, they watch them yesterday. We be talk very hot. Say, this thing, the way they see them, and whether we like it or not, you have to just agree with some of the points that the guy is making. He said in the last 30 years, is there any one of these big guys who no day in operations in the last 30 years? Waiting don't change in the last 30 years. Instead, plenty things did they borrow. And he's not saying it to say, okay, only those people that are coming to his party. He's generalizing it that, okay, with including the ruling party and what have you. So if you check it, sincerely speaking, there's nothing new inside the whole bottle we want to experience as we speak right now. But competition good. At least, go make somebody go sleep, say, oh, I don't already win without even election. You understand? Let them continue to muscle the process until when we know the clear picture of where we even go to. Because now, the cloud never did that.
So, but with this one now, so meaning if you were if you were to advise this ADC now, you would just let them say, may they forget 2027.
Sincerely speaking, I'm not seeing the fire in them.
So the spokesperson will come the other time.
Why I'm not seeing the fire, for instance, when APCB they come on board that time around 2023, 2013, 2014, that time, they see the fire. I've been telling you, say, one of those things where you go take consider whether they're really ready. They will not, it will be litigation-free party. And it's no longer be like that now. Apart from that, you will check the caliber of people where they join the party eventually. Now, former, there's no single person where don't join that party now. Where be big weight among the people where they parade the party. Where former no they attached to their title. Former so, former this, former that, or maybe senator so we don't already sack for being a senator and what have you. So if you check that one too, APC then you see more of new governors will go join the party. We never see a single governor as you speak right now will join this ADC. So it's not supposed to be, because in an ideal situation we say a governor gets only one vote. But in the context of Nigerian politics, the so-called structure will still come to play. So based on that, say they still never get any serious people like that. Then apart from that, talking about mobilizing members now, and with the fact say incumbency factor still there for front, we never know who will be the next INEC chairman. We never know how they want to mobilize resources. the current APC now, they sit down on top of the government, whatever money resources they are deploying, they still get access to the government fund and whatever. These are the kind of things we dey for front. And for the part say, even the other opposition too, they still dey find a way of penetrate anybody we want to the raise shoulder. I mean the PDP side now, the Wike factor, and many of those things like that. You know, the cloud no dey clear for front. Say ADC really get that ginger to be the main opposition, sincerely speaking, because many Nigerians are convinced say we can't continue recycling some of these guys. The only consolation for them is that the same way they don't want me they recycle many of those guys, the same way they have the reservation about the current administration. But current administration still get power to mobilize money. We still know say money will still come to play a major role in this election. Will they come on board? So based on that, if by now they've not been able to put their house in order, another factor that I told you is if they can survive primary election, they never even start the primary move right now. You don't see the situation. So it get us in there.
All right, so the part they go, Oga Jonathan and Oga Obi been do meeting. 30 seconds. What do you think about that?
Yeah, they be do meeting. If you ask me, it's more of political meeting. But we don't know waiting be the content of the meeting, waiting and discuss,
But
waiting be the
should
agenda.
Nigerians be sold because they say suspense, that they say with a wonder?
And so let us wait. Politics can always, it's also a game of suspense anyway. It can be shocking sometimes. So let's wait to see what thing go need to show Nigerians regarding this their meeting. But no past 2027 election.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Kolawole Omoni, for joining us today. Had a wonderful time on the show today.
Thank you for
and let's do this again on Monday.
Yes, thank God it's Friday.
In Naija for CHRICED Radio and Television. Not forget, say on top all of our social media handles with the X, with the Instagram, with the Facebook, with the YouTube, and with the TikTok at CHRICED Radio TV. Yes, at CHRICED Radio TV. And the countdown don't start on top the big win, the big vibes, the biggie, where we say it come for front. You know, go one with Sam. All you have to do, make sure say you do listen to us for our radio, our website na www.christedradioandtv.com, and then follow us for all of our social media platforms. Watch our videos, study them, because you never can tell where the questions will come from. Till we come again on Monday with another beautiful edition of this same show, Inside Naija, in the 9 o'clock hour. My name na Princess Aniana. No go anywhere, because more programs will come to you on the radio side. Have a wonderful day.
Yes,